Yes, hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to put drop down list or do a drop down using Word document. I think we've done that with Excel, and some people are wondering whether we can do that with Word document. Yes, of course you can do that, and it's very important. So let's go. So right here we have these different headers here: sex, status, community, regions. Okay, and if you want to do this, you need to have the developer option. Okay, so those of you who don't have it, just go to your file here and go to more, and then you go to options here. It brings you here. Just go to customize your ribbon, and then you will find your developer here. For those of you who don't have it on your ribbon there, you still find it unchecked. Just check it and then make sure you click this OK. Once you do that, and then you find it above here and you can use it. And now that we are there, if I click somewhere else and I come back there, you see that we have some tools that comes with it. Okay, and one of those tools that we are going to be using is this drop down list. Let's say I want to do a drop down list under this sex option here. I will just come here and I click. Once I click, it says choose an item, and each time you click an item here, the properties comes alive. It means that property option is used to edit that tool that you have just clicked. So we want to edit the drop down. So I'll click on the property and it comes on, and you see that there's an option here where we can add our drop downs. First of all, I want to click to the first default that says choose an item. I want to remove it, and I want to add an item. We are under sex, of course it will be male, and then I click OK. I've added that item. I want to add another item. It will be female. Okay, and then I add that item. Now we have two of those items. So if I click on an item, I can remove it upwards. I can remove it. Like remove it. I can add it back, which is female. I'll add that back again. I can move it upwards. I can move it upward. When I click my upward and I click add, yes, I want to click this. I want to remove this male downward. I can click, see, I can remove it downward. I want to click this male again and remove it up or move upward. You see, so I can toggle that up, down, up, down, up, down. I can modify it, you see, to edit it. Maybe I want to add male only. Okay, maybe that's a modification I wanted to do there, and that is it. You see, I can just keep adding. Okay, and I'll click OK. And once I come here and I click, you see that I have two options now. I can send this to someone to begin to select, okay, and tell us what the data is saying. Right here, I can go back to my properties there, and then we have these options that I love so much. It says status. Now I can give a specific instruction. Please check this option. And once I do this, I click OK. And here now we have that small instruction up there. Please check this option. And there we have it. So we can do this for all the different areas. I can also go here, just click on my drop down there, and then go to properties. Normally status would have there, we can remove. We'll have IDPs for status there, IDPs, and then I can add that. And then here we can still have host, that is host children, and then I can add that. And then here we can still have persons with disabilities. Okay, persons with disabilities, and then I can add that on there. And that is just what we have. Okay, and then we can apply everything we have been applying. We can also change, why not change the colors, and then I can just click OK. Once I click OK, it shows this color here, and I can have these different options to send to people to begin to answer them. Okay, so this is very important. Also important for you to take note that we can add drop downs so far as Word document is concerned. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao ciao.